Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to do like this, it's like a messy curl, and what you're going to, how to get this little look. It's real simple, real easy. It's real long to get this look. These curls, 11:41 at night, and I started working at 11:30. So, yeah, so here's like the waves. It's like a beachy wave. So if you want to continue to see how I got this wave, just keep watching. Thanks, bye. Hey guys, so this is where we're gonna start off. We're just gonna separate the back of our hair. I'm sorry for the lighting. It is late at night. Well, it's up to you what late means. So I just decided to just do this. Waiting for my boo. It's 10:15 at night. I'm kind of tired. But I kind of want to do my hair for tomorrow because I don't want to do it in the morning. I did straighten my hair a few days ago. And so I'm just going to curl it. So I'm going to give like tight curls. If you can hear the TV, I'm just watching the news. Oh, and that's my dog. He's sleeping. He's my little ugly. Okay, so we're gonna have actually tight, loose curls. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the wand. I believe this is an inch barrel. And this actually works. It gets hot really fast. So if you don't have the glove, you can use a sock. It just makes it tired. But yeah, I was blotching earlier. Whatever. Okay. So we're gonna do. Based on information from informed sources that the FBI is looking into a possible scheme where companies that wanted Senator Ron Calderon's help in getting them state contracts, they had funneled comprehensive. So you could hold it for like 10 seconds. And then just drop it. The company is cutting back some employees' hours means it won't be offering those part-timers health insurance. The company says the move has nothing to do with the Affordable Care Act. In a statement, Forever 21 said, quote, after a recent evaluation, Forever 21 realigned its staffing needs to better with my song. What? Forever 21 is cutting their employers? That's so sad. I like that. I like that. I just recently bought a top for Forever 21. Okay, so you're going to just get a small section, get your wand, put it close to your root, and just put it around. And like I said, leave it for 10 seconds. Now pump it up, and back it up like a taco truck. On the floor. There you go. So I'll do the whole bottom for you guys so you could see, and then the rest of the top of the hair is the same thing. Put your drinks up. I bet you guys can't even hear. Like, ow! Be careful because I just burned myself. If you guys have a chance to go see Pitbull in concert, do it. I saw Pitbull in concert at the Hollywood Bowl. Oh my god, it was amazing. La 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 la. Put your drinks up. It's getting sick on the floor. I'm like, I should be in bed. I really should. It's like a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday night. And probably this is going to be up like almost Thursday. Dance the night away. Live your life and stay out on the floor. So you may think like, oh my god, she's wearing a Smith shirt and she's listening to Pitbull. You know what? I listen to a lot of different music. I'm kidding. No, I actually do.
Yes, since we're curling our hair, a few things about me. I grew up to all types of music. I do listen to disco, house music, techno, rap, hip hop, pop, oldies, some country, alternative, rock, blues. There's everything. So just because I do a pinup style doesn't mean I just listen to that music. I do listen to rockabilly and all that stuff. But I also listen to other music.
Jerry's and their underwear. What is important to us? We want the same thing from our underwear that we want from the women in our lives. We want a little bit of support, and we want a little bit of freedom. Jerry Seinfeld. Live on stage at the Coliseum at Caesars Palace.
This side is harder for me, so I'm going to burn myself already.
For tickets, visit AXS.com or call 877-427-7243. Jerry Seinfeld, live at Caesars Palace.
So there's your bottom curls. So you're just going to do that on your whole hair. So I'll come back with all this cut. I'll come back with all this curls, okay? Alright. Okay, so this is just the finished look. I'm just messing it around. You just want to play with your curls. They're real beachy, messy look. So let's say you're going somewhere and you just want to do your hair like messy but cute at the same time. You just curl it. So that's how the waves look. They're real kind of loose but tight at the same time. There's many of them, so it's a real beachy look. It's a messy one. Now you did use the wand, as you see there. So if you like how the hair came out, just like and subscribe. So it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Bye.